Supermodel Adriana Lima can stop traffic faster than a presidential motorcade. Let's just be honest. The Brazilian native is now front and center with the latest Victoria's Secret creation, the Showstopper bra. And Adriana is here with us to talk about it today. Good to see you.
Good to see you.
Oh, well, congratulations, the Showstopper bra. This is something totally different.
Completely different, you know, for you ladies out there that want to show off your curves and feel confident. And what is great about this bra, it's like non-shown coverage when you need the most in the right places.
Because you say, I'm sorry, you say embrace your shape, embrace your curves.
Definitely.
So this is this is something totally new from Victoria's Secret.
Yes, it's totally new. It feels great on. It's so smooth, it's so soft, it's light. We have such great colors. This one is very fuchsia. We also have black, white, nude. We also have in Turkish blue, you know, to feel like little sexy.
All right, so, and we can see obviously some of the commercials here. This is something totally new that's being rolled out. Now, you also are no stranger to pretty exotic lingerie with the $1 million bra.
Yeah, the fantasy bra.
The fantasy bra.
Yes, that I had a few show-stopping moments. Actually, 2 times. I was with the fantasy bra in 2008, and I was also last year, which was a huge show-stopping moment for me because I just came out of, just had to give birth.
Right,
and then I came back on the runway wearing the fantasy bra, which is a huge thing.
And now, so, and your daughter, she's 2 years old, right, Valentina?
Yeah, she's almost 2. She's going to be in November 15.
Okay, well, congratulations.
Thank you.
So many people want to know, obviously, you have a child, and right like that, you bounce back into bikini ready.
Well, not right
what's the workout secrets?
Well, eating healthy and working out a lot, because I did lose like over 50 pounds, really. Boxing, great exercise.
Listen, you will sell a lot of bras if you will admit to this, that you have a day that you wake up and you just put on sweatpants, open up a bag of cheese doodles and sit and watch reruns. Tell me you do that.
I do put the sweatpants on.
Okay.
And I don't know what the cheese doodles is.
It's
like,
junk food. It's garbage food that people like you do not eat and make the rest of us envious.
But I know what is hamburger, pizza, and you know, like French fries.
You indulge, essentially.
I do. Not every day, but once a week I try.
Okay, all right. Well, we'll let you have that. So having a daughter, has that changed your career? Because, I mean, you started at a relatively young age, and, you know, things change along the way.
Having my daughter was the best thing that could happen in my life.
Yeah.
It's such a great experience, and I am blessed to being able to have a baby.
Right.
And she changed me many different levels inside. I became a new person, patient, and more open to people. And also those pregnancy hormones, I tell you, I think it did wonders to me. I don't know what it was. I feel prettier now than when I was before pregnancy. My skin, my hair, everything. I'm such a better place right now.
So that maternal glow that we always hear so much about is a legitimate thing that you really feel.
Definitely, and not only during pregnancy. After, it keeps going.
Well,
it doesn't stop.
Obviously, listen, it carries across on the runway, and it carries across on magazines. Now, you've also done some acting as well. Yeah. You were in The Follow with Forrest Whitaker and Mickey Rourke.
Yes.
Is that something you want to continue to pursue?
I definitely would love to pursue acting, and I know I have a long road ahead of me. I just don't want to be like a model that goes acting. I want to stop, I want to study, and whatever happens after, I want to do it right, and I want to be good.
What is a typical day for you like?
My typical day, when I don't work, it's I wake up, I bring my daughter to the park, I cook food, and we take her to swimming classes, we go swimming in the pool, and just enjoying family time. And when she takes a nap, I try to go have my time, which my time is working out. I love it. And spending time with the husband, family, home. When I work, it's like 12 hours a day. We start very early doing, when it's a photo shoot, it's 10 hours a day. When it's like a PR event or doing fashion shows, it's like a 12-hour day.
Wow.
It's fun though. It's a great group, Victoria's Secret, to work
And
with.
obviously keeps
Yeah.
you busy.
Oh yes, I love it. It's
wow.
wonderful.
Wow. Well, continued success to you, and we obviously wish you the very best with this, the Showstopper Bra from Victoria's Secrets. Adriana Lima, thank you so much for stopping
you.
by. Of course, that is all the buzz that we have for you today. I'm Dan Kleffler in New York. We'll see you next time.